Office Furniture Warehouse isn't your average office furniture store. We believe in doing things a little bit different. Our focus is always on you, the customer. We believe that the right furniture can have a positive impact on your health and work performance. Our team is constantly finding the best furniture options available so we can provide you with the right furniture for your unique space at the right price. This includes stock, custom order, and used office furniture options. Working with us means getting to know each other, and we can't do that by selling furniture online, so we don't. We meet with you in our showrooms statewide so we can talk to you and get a better understanding of your space, your budget, and your timeline. From consultation to design to tiered pricing, we provide you with a full-service office furniture solution. We even offer financing options, delivery of your new furniture, and takeaway of your old furniture. At Office Furniture Warehouse, it's hassle-free and worry-free every step of the way.
At Office Furniture Warehouse, it's our vision to create better workspaces for America's workforce. Whether you have 1 or 100 employees, we help companies of all sizes through our full-service, stress-free experience, which starts with a 2D or 3D layout of your space, good, better, and best options, and then we complete it with our full delivery and installation service, keeping you hands-free and stress-free throughout the whole process. If you'd like to get started, you can either consult with us online or stop into one of our showrooms throughout Wisconsin today so we can help you perform better.